In this episode, we finally decide to get rid of the original roof to design and create a new one. Pierre shares his review about the plasma cutter we've been using, and we have unexpected guests. Hi, we're Jen and Pierre, a Canadian couple originally from Quebec, and we are currently building our custom 37 feet expedition sailboat. We found a forgotten rusty hull a few years ago and named her Wild Raven. She'll be an all-electric, Arctic-ready, and one-of-a-kind. Launching in 2026, welcome to Sailing Wild Raven. Spring has finally arrived. Flowers are blooming, bees are foraging, and Jasmine is enjoying the fresh grass. We're out of hibernation and ready to tackle our long boat work list. But before doing so, we decided to add one more item to that list. There was nothing wrong with this part of the boat, so we never planned to modify it. Let's catch up with Pierre so we can explain why we unexpectedly changed our mind.
This is the roof for our boat. As you can see, it's nice slanted like this, but the problem with that angle is we're losing so much room on the inside. So what the intention is, we're gonna make it flat and come straight like this with a little window in the front. Those windows are gonna be opening also. That makes a big difference on the inside. So we can cool it during the summer, add a better view, more room, more light. So this is our weekend project. We have a long weekend, 3 days. Hopefully we're gonna be able to do it within 3 days.
We would like to take a few seconds to thank everyone that has subscribed following the release of our first episode. We are over the moon with your response and appreciate all your comments and reviews. Thank you so much. Wow, so much more open and brighter, and it's going to give us a lot more of headroom. Oh, good job, Pierre. Job well done. Very happy about that. That was a big task. Done. Now it's going to be building the new roof. We had quite a show last night. We never thought we could see Northern Light from here in Southern Ontario. That was unexpected. I got up twice during the night just to take a few pictures. These are not great by any means. I took them handheld with my phone. That was very cool. Today, we start fabricating the new roof. We did the mock-up before cutting the original one. Hopefully, it goes smoothly.
Moi, je me donnais une idée off, là. Et comme ça, ici, c'est pas correct.
C'est bon?
OK. Ça a 3 pouces. You were probably wondering why tacking a 1/4-inch rod on the stainless. The 1/4-inch rod will be used as a guide for a plasma cutter. It's much easier to follow the rod than following a line. So we bought a plasma cutter a couple of months ago. Didn't have a chance to use it too much at the beginning, but now we're using it a lot. I'm quite satisfied with the machine. Its price was right. The machine comes with all the parts that we need, and it's very easy to use. I was skeptical at first, now I'm quite happy with it.
If you like to know which brand and model we're using, click on the link in the description below. Currently, there's a promo on Amazon with $100 off. We're not sure what animal made those noises last night. If you know what it is, please let us know in the comment below. We reckon it was these guys. We heard that there was a fox den in town and there've been some sighting of the pups playing with their parents. Seems they have chosen to play in our backyard this morning. Jasmine is not thrilled about it, but it is what it is. It's been a slower beginning of the day as we all had little sleep last night. We did receive an exciting update about the tool we ordered months ago.
Ça fait 27 mm OD.
Been happy with the progress we made this weekend. We decided to wait a couple of weeks for its arrival before finishing the new look. In the meantime, we decided to get started on the stanchions. Not sure why we're making our own stanchion and rating? Make sure to watch our previous episode.
Oui, je me fais.
If you made it this far in the video, you're amazing. It means a lot to us and we greatly appreciate your support. In the next episode, we finally receive something we have long waited for. We start assembling the new roof and get to use our new tool.